The importance of discipline. What is the importance of discipline? As Buddha once said, to enjoy good health, to bring true happiness to one's family, to bring peace to all, one must first discipline and control his mind. If a man can control his mind, he can find the way to enlightenment, and all wisdom and virtue will naturally come to him. The message of this quote simply wants us to be disciplined and for us to be enlightened or to be educated with wisdom and virtue to achieve one's good health, peace, and bring happiness to his family. To achieve enlightenment, one must have discipline to the society, discipline to the classroom, and discipline to his or herself. Discipline brings order, system, and honesty to the world. Discipline is important to the society because it provides peace, order, and responsibility. First, a community without discipline would be an unsystematic world. Order to the world would be impossible. And lastly, a government without discipline would be corrupt. Discipline is important for the government mainly because without it, there will be disorder. Discipline is important in the classroom for students to be organized and be ready in the future. Also, for the teacher to know how to control his or her students. Discipline is important for every individual because it's what makes us human. People without self-discipline will not be able to attain self-control and can stick to their own decisions and goals in life. According to Jim Rohn, discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishments, which means without discipline, we are useless. Also, without discipline, we won't be responsible, which means we'll be immature and unaccountable. Discipline is important to the world because without it, the world would be unsystematic, disorganized, and corrupt. Also, we would not be able to achieve enlightenment. For us to achieve a better and brighter future, we have to learn how to apply discipline through our every actions. Would you rather be a person who is incompetent and a bottleneck in life? Or be a person who will start making the world a better place? Choose.